AI and data privacy, navigating the challenges of protecting personal information. In today's digital age, data privacy has become a paramount concern as the volume of personal information being collected and processed continues to grow. As AI technologies advance, it is crucial to address the challenges and implications of data privacy in the context of AI-driven applications. Data breaches pose a significant threat to personal privacy, as they can lead to unauthorized access and misuse of sensitive information. Robust privacy measures, including secure data storage, encryption, and access controls, are vital to safeguarding personal data and mitigating the risks of data breaches. Privacy-preserving techniques play a crucial role in AI to ensure that personal information remains confidential and protected. Methods such as differential privacy, federated learning, and homomorphic encryption allow data to be used for AI purposes while preserving individual privacy. These techniques strike a balance between data utility and privacy, enabling organizations to derive insights from data without compromising personal information. Transparency and explainability are key principles in maintaining data privacy. It is essential for individuals to understand how their data is being collected, used, and shared. Organizations should provide clear and easily understandable privacy policies and disclosure practices to build trust and empower users to make informed decisions about their data. Legal frameworks and regulations play a crucial role in protecting data privacy. Laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, in the United States set guidelines for data handling and give individuals more control over their personal information. Adhering to these regulations ensures that organizations handle data responsibly and respect individuals' privacy rights. Empowering users and obtaining informed consent are essential elements of data privacy. Individuals should have the ability to access, manage, and delete their personal data held by organizations. Organizations should be transparent about data collection practices, seek explicit consent for data processing, and provide options for users to exercise their privacy rights. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the intricacies of data privacy in AI. We will explore topics such as privacy-enhancing technologies, privacy impact assessments, and the ethical considerations surrounding data privacy. These insights will provide a comprehensive understanding of the challenges and best practices in maintaining data privacy in the age of AI. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on data privacy and AI. Don't miss out on these essential considerations that shape the responsible use of personal information. Thank you for watching and joining us on this enlightening journey into the realm of AI and data privacy.